Newton's first law of motion, otherwise known as the law of inertia. This is a concept which a lot of students struggle to sometimes grasp in terms of how it works. So in essence, Newton's first law of motion states that an object in motion will continue moving in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force, an outside force, or an object that is stationary, that's not moving, like a car, will continue to be stationary unless acted upon by an external force. So in other words, objects tend to continue doing the things that they're doing. Inertia. So what's inertia? Inertia is basically the property of an object to resist motion, and the heavier the object, the more inertia it has. So an elephant versus, let's say, a small car, right? A massive elephant has more inertia. It's got more mass. I'm just about 30 meters away from a roundabout. I'm going to show you how inertia works, how it applies. So sometimes when going around a roundabout, you experience this sensation of your body getting tilted towards the opposite direction of where you're turning. And that's Newton's first law, that's inertia. I'll show you how it works right now. So approaching the roundabout, turning right. If you notice my body, so make sure it's a sharp turn. My body's turning left instead of right. And what's happening is this. Just pull over. So turning right on the roundabout, my body's initially moving in a straight line, it's continuing straight. As soon as I turn right, it still wants to continue straight, right? It's not really going left, it's straight per se. So that's why I feel the sensation of going left, whereas instead of going right with the car, because of inertia, my body wants to continue moving in a straight line. And that's where seatbelts come in handy. That's an application of Newton's first law right there. It's to help strap your body, to restrain it, so it doesn't obviously fly off into the windshield in some cases. But yeah, that's how Newton's first law of motion works.